Hi, in this video I am going to record some log footage in my S25 Ultra into an external source. This is a micro SD card plugged into a micro SD reader. I will plug it in and then I will show you the screen recording where there is a provision in the S25 to record externally. So here I am going to open the camera mode. This is the camera mode, and in camera mode I will go to, it is recording, I will go to the settings, and here in the settings, camera assistant, save video to external storage. If you save footage into the external storage, then you can't do the immediate color correction of that video in the phone itself, and there's a trick to that, and I'm going to show you that now. So now you've seen the phone settings, and now I will go to pro mode, video mode, log footage. Again I'll open the camera. This is a log footage. I can color correct the video here. So I'm going to record in wide angle mode. I will color correct. It's too bright here. Correct the shutter speed. ISO is 80. Shutter speed is 1/1000. 1500. Now the zebras have disappeared, and I'm going to record some panning. I'm going to record some panning footage now with the phone, and I'll show you the result. Now I'm recording log footage to an external device. There is no color. Here, when I go to the gallery mode over here, so you will see this log footage, and if I just swipe on it as I did before, you can see in the screen footage that there is no option to color correct, which usually appears over here. So there is a trick to that. So what you do is I will then go to the files, my files in this phone, transfer this footage from the external storage device to the internal storage, and then do the color correction, and that will work. I'll swipe up to show you my files. In the my files you will see the USB storage, and I go to DCIM camera. Let's click on any of these videos. Now I am recording log footage to an external device. So you saw that. Now what I am going to do, I'll again show it in my file. So I go back to my files and then select that particular clip, and I will move it from it will, if you go to the detail, it will show you that it is recorded in the USB storage. I will move it from the USB storage to the internal memory of this disk. I have selected that particular clip and I will move it from here. I will go choose internal storage, go to DCIM, go to camera, move here. So it's moving, it's being moved from the external storage to the internal memory, and the screen recording, you can see it's being moved. So this may take time depending upon the resolution in which you have shot this film. Okay, now one file has been moved from the external device to the internal memory, and go to the gallery once again, choose gallery. Recording log footage. Here you have. You have moved to an external device. There is no color. So now you can see that the color correction option has appeared. So again, you press on it, and you can see the color correction has been done. So this is the trick. If you want to record footage in an external device, then you go ahead and do it, because if you want to choose 4K or 8K videos, they may be large files and log files may occupy more space. So you can by all means record it in an external device. But for doing the color correction on the phone itself, which is very easy to do, you just move that file from the external device to the internal storage and do the color correction. After doing, you can do it in the gallery app itself. There is no need to use any editor like a KineMaster or Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or anything. You can do it in that. For hobbyists, that is sufficient. No one doesn't have the time to do all that, and that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.